we won't change till tab, means we'll start this layout desktop till tab. Okay, after that for mobile version we create a separate, no, we just responsive this layout for mobile devices. Okay, all those things I just explain what we are using in our project. Okay, so first we'll, okay, so first our first stage is analysis. Okay, don't remember, the first thing is a developer, they analyze every layout, everything is perfect, everything is like as means as for like a as for like a requirement is okay or not, each point is should be correct place or not, because sometimes UI designer do mistake. Okay, so that times you if you ignore that time, so after that you always face same issue. Suppose I show you one example. Suppose this icon and this icon, in both item the distance between both icon is 16 pixel, and this icon and this icon also in 16 pixel, it's correct. But suppose I move it here, actually it's development, that's why I can't change. Okay, okay, now you check, here is the icon size 32 in 32, space between that first icon to second icon is 16 pixel. If you checking second icon to third icon is 15 pixel, and dimension is also is different now. Okay, width is 62, height is 32, so it's like a, it's a mistake through like a UI designer. Okay, so what happened, we just inform to graphic, sorry, UI designer, it is not correct, you just correct it. Okay, listen very carefully, if this thing you ignore, then till means after design you always face issue, because what happened, testing department always test as a symmetricity. They check if that icon, first icon is 32 into 32 is like a dimension, and space between first icon to second icon is 16, then second and third why it will change, and dimension also why it is change. Okay, so first we analysis, after that we'll check all point is correct or not. Okay, okay guys.
Okay, Shishnath, I am having one doubt regarding the icons.
Yeah, tell me.
Uh,
Listen
we
what
have
I'm telling,
that.
you just note down. Okay,
Mm,
what you are
yeah,
the
okay.
problems, after explaining you ask all question one by one. Okay,
Yeah, okay. Mm,
okay, so first thing we just analysis. Okay, second thing we just check each and everything is proper or not. Okay, after that, after that we'll start. Okay, what is the common, what is the common things. Okay, suppose what happened, here is footer is common, and in this page also here is a common. Okay, so note down what is the common, because if you design, suppose three developer working on like a all three different pages, so what happened, they start from initial and work till end. Okay, but here few thing is common, means footer all three members create separate, means it will take so much time. Okay, sorry guys, give me a minute.